How to check order history on Facebook. Tracking and managing your order history on Facebook via Facebook Marketplace or other Facebook based shopping features can be done to the Facebook app or website. So, here is how you can do that. So, let's get started. Firstly, log into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go to the menu section. Now, once inside the menu section, scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy option available there. After you tap on the Settings and Privacy, then tap on the Orders and Payments option available there. Once you tap on the Orders and Payments, simply tap on the cart icon available in the top right corner of your screen at the top. Then, inside the cart icon, all you have to do is scroll down and look for your orders or purchase history under the buying section. So that is it. There you can see your order details including delivery status and payment information. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.